the lady with the alligator purse? Miss Lucy held a baby. His name was Tantin. She put him in the bathtub to see he could swim. He dried up all the water. He dried up water salt. He tried to eat the bathtub, but it wouldn't go down his food. Miss Lucy called the doctor. Miss Lucy called the nurse. Miss Lucy called the lady with the alligator purse. In came the doctor. In came the nurse. In came the lady with the alligator purse.
Mumps,
Said the doctor.
means
Said the nurse.
nonsense.
Said the lady with the alligator purse.
Pencil,
Said the doctor.
castor oil,
Said the nurse.
pizza,
Said the lady with the alligator purse. Out went the doctor. Out went the nurse. Out went the lady with the alligator purse.